Great news, Corvette owners. The Oracle Concept LED side mirrors that have been so popular for the C6 Corvette are now available for the C7 Corvette. That's right, you can now upgrade your C7 Vet styling with the sleek and aerodynamic Concept LED side mirrors from Oracle. Inspired by the otherwise angular, aggressive lines of the C7 Corvette, these new C7 Concept side mirrors are a modern upgrade to the original factory version of the mirrors by more closely following the stylish body lines of the C7 Corvette. This design not only looks good but is more aerodynamic and retains factory features such as fully motorized functionality and heated glass. Despite the mirror's sleeker design, side visibility is not compromised thanks to the custom aspherical mirror glass, which actually provides a wider field of view than the factory mirrors. The aerodynamic design is sure to upgrade the vehicle's styling without losing any of the functions. These direct fit replacements provide sleek, cutting-edge styling to the vehicle's silhouette with integrated LEDs in the mirrors. These can be used as an additional parking light or as a turn signal, or both when used with Oracle's dual intensity circuit. These are CAD designed and engineered exclusively for Oracle lighting, so elevate the styling of your C7 Corvette with these unique and featured packed product. Installation's easy. Just remove the factory mirrors, install the new ones, and connect the LED wires to the source of your choice. For more information, visit oraclelights.com and check out part number 2016-504. Embrace the look of your C7 Corvette with the Oracle LED side mirrors.